What is going to happen in the African continent is as simple as this. Those who are going to take charge of the next generation, or even the present moment to the next future, are those who have understood on how we can translate knowledge into action. I was reflecting upon how many years I actually took to read books, to how much time it took for me to translate this knowledge to actual action. And it took me to build on factors such as audacity to just want to test, is this knowledge literally right? And the next world demands from somebody who is going to be that audacious to decide that what I know, I have to put it into test. I'll lose, I'll win, I don't care, but I have to put what I know into test. Because what do I lose if I don't put this on the line? What do I gain if I don't put this on the line? Right? Nothing. The only benefit that you're going to get, if you lose, you're going to learn. If you win exponentially, massively.